Hello, I'm a spokesperson for Parrot Uncle. My name is Diaz. I am a navigator who is always wise and calm. Also an adventurer with a daring spirit. I'm willing to maintain a clear mind and explore additional living space options. Uphold innovative, artistic, as our design dimensions design and manufacture many best-selling global trend products in the field of home furnishing. At the same time, endow products with intelligent solutions so that users can easily integrate them into a variety of living spaces. Like this. Turn on the light. We hope to bringing you a more comfortable and smarter lifestyle and constantly improving the quality of your home life.